How to link external account with a Bank of America account. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. To start off, you need to install your Bank of America application. Log in into your account by entering your username and password that is associated with the Bank of America account. If you do not have an account, select Set up your account and create your brand new account of your Bank of America. You can initiate transfers between your Bank of America account and your external account. To do so, you have to navigate to the Transfer section, which might be labeled as Transfer or Money Movement. Choose the option for transferring to or from external account. Provide the required details for your external account, including routing number and account number. Then follow the transfer according to your bank instruction. However, regarding the link between your external account and your Bank of America account, currently Bank of America does not support linking your external account. However, it will allow the transfer between your external account. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.